Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to compare the MKS5 versus the Q9 smart bracelet. The Q9 is a very good smartwatch that we unboxed a while before. Those who remember will know that this smartwatch is really good. Actually, the video of the Q9 is still watching in our channel. If you want to see that, the link will be down in the description, or go ahead in our channel, you will find them. Today's video will be comparing these two by showing you some specifics of both of them first, see what we got in the software, and then we're going to talk about the good things and the bad things that they have. We will see how they perform, test some of the things that they have in settings, including sports and health caring. So let's go ahead first with the MKS5, see what we got, and come back to the Q9. Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to unbox this brand new MKS5 smartwatch. As you can see, we have this smartwatch here. It has a Bluetooth 4.0, waterproof, screen 1.3 inch. We have single touch screen, so it has only a button. It will charge in about 1.5 hours. So in standby time it would last 25 days and work time 7 days, between that 7 or 6. So we have here a good smartwatch with some good options. Also, this watch looks exactly the same as the MSFit GTS. So we are going to talk about the differences a bit later from the GTS. So let's go ahead, start unboxing and see what we got from this smartwatch. As you can see now, we have the smartwatch in our hands, and it's hard to see in camera from this brightness, so I'm going to boost the brightness a little bit. Maybe you can see it from this angle and with this brightness. As you can see, it's a bit better. So let's go ahead, see what we got. You can see the first page. We have pedometer, distance, burn calories, and heart rate. Let's test the heart rate here. I hope you don't mind the brightness around my fist. It's a little bright, but it's the only way you can see clearly this smartwatch. As you can see, the downside of this is the screen is shutting down immediately, and there is no way you can boost the timer or change the timing for the screen shutter. Let's go ahead, measure it. You can see that the results are here. That wasn't too bad, fast enough for this smartwatch. Let's go next. We have blood pressure. It says measuring. I think blood pressure is taking a bit, and here we have the result. Also, what I like is the vibration. I always say the vibration is very good in smartwatches when the results comes. A little vibration is better in smartwatches. We have now here blood oxygen. Let's wait for the result of blood oxygen as well. And we have here the percentage of oxygen in our blood. That is fast enough for this smartwatch. We have now the sports. Let's go ahead. We have walking, running, cycling, hiking. We have 4 different sports. Let's go with walking. And and with a little vibration again it starts immediately. We have the seconds going, blood pressure, burn calories, kilometers and steps. Everything is working smoothly, very good. We don't have any problem at all, so we can stop this. We have here sleep, messages, and I don't think we have anything else to test. So we know that the MKS5 works pretty good. In the Q9 Smart Bracelet we have a 1.3 single touch screen and a 180 mAh battery. We have different health caring options like heart rate, step monitoring, sedentary reminder, etc. Also we have other options that we will see in a bit right here. Also we have answering phone calls, we have notification and other health tracking like pedometer, as I said, drink reminder, blood pressure, etc, etc. We have other functions as well, Bluetooth, alarm, waterproof, barometer, etc. Also, as I said, notification from other apps and missed calls as well. So let's go ahead, see what we got more in the Q9 and we can compare it with the MKS. So as you can see, we have now here the Q9. We saw the specifications of the smartwatch. So let's go ahead, see what we got here in the menu. We have, as you can see in the first page, we have the time, we have percentage of battery, date, we have the last heart rate, steps and burned calories. Next we have steps, burned calories, kilometer, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep, sport, messages, timer, find phone and power off. As you can see, it's very small and very easy to use. We don't have too much options in the smartwatch, so let's go ahead, see what we got and test all of these options that we saw. So now we have here the Q9 in our hand. Let's go ahead, see what we got. The first option is the heart rate. Let's see what we have. As you can see, it's very hard to see on this brightness, but I'm going to try and boost my brightness. I boost my brightness a little bit. We can see clearly this smartwatch, but we have, as you can see here in the hand and in the background, we have too much white now, but that is the only option that we have to see clearly the smartwatch. We saw the heart rate. Now let's go ahead to the blood pressure. The heart rate was not so fast, but it's okay. And you can see why I hate low brightness smartwatches. We have some results. It's very hard to use them. It's very hard to make videos with them. So as you can see, we have to deal with this. We have now the result in the blood pressure, not so slow as well. Let's go to sport. We have run, press it. 2-time vibration tells you that it's starting. We can see the seconds going. We have steps, blood pressure, and we don't have anything else that we can see here in the sport. That is not enough for sport mode, so I think that is a fail from the Q9. So I think this smartwatch, we have all of this to test. We don't have anything else. So let's go ahead, bring the MKS, see what we got in these smartwatches. Now we are back. As you can see, both of them are pretty similar. I'm not saying it just in the look of them, but in the software as well. You can see the screen is similar to each other. The MKS5 is more modern because the Q9 is a lot older. As you can see, the Q9 is all plastic and the MKS here is other material is using right here, so it looks more good and more modern. The screen of them is what I hate the most in these smartwatches. They both have low brightness screen and they both keep shutting down immediately. You can see whenever I press them, you can see how the MKS is struggling to turn on. When it turns on, it will turn off immediately. But the software of them is pretty much regular. We have the heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen in both of them. We have some sports that we can use, so you can see they both are pretty good to use and very similar to each other. I don't think I have anything else to test in here, so that will do for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.